Look who it is. The importance of this match here tonight.
Of course not, Michael. Anytime the tag titles are on the line, the match takes on a whole new level of importance.
Mindset right now heading into this huge title defense.
Confidence is key, Cole. They have to remind themselves that they are the absolute best WWE has to offer right now. The moment they doubt that is the moment we can very likely see them get ticked off.
The following 516 pounds, the Hart Foundation. Tag Team Champions, Demolition.
Make a case as one of the best teams ever. There is a tremendous amount of trust that goes with being a tag team. Your future is not only in your hands, but in the hands of your partner. Buckle up, this is gonna hurt. Still going. My goodness.
Uh-oh, look at what are they gonna do? Oh, right to the face.
Right to the back of the neck.
And again.
Enough.
That's just
Unable to counter.
drop toe hold.
What a headbutt.
Vicious.
Oh. Escape just in time. Power slam.
With authority.
He is going to take this match as long and as far as he needs to.
Chains of the USSR with a hammer and sickle.
They're slamming their face.
Tag made.
Boot to the stomach gives them separation. Dominating shoulder tackle.
Clothesline.
Tag is registered. Oh, ouch.
An elbow will break that up.
Looks under. Let's go behind. German suplex turns the tides.
He saw it coming, taking advantage.
Big time clothesline.
Fends off the attack with an elbow.
Flawless takedown. Scoop slam.
Wow, the gun.
Ooh, brutal forearm. Uh-oh. He must have had that scouted.
Textbook fireman's carry takeover. Look at this. Oh, no. Harebrained idea to try that.
Was trying to find a way to attack, but completely wiped out.
Oh, look at this. I don't want to be part of these problems. Don't want to be part of this crowd.
He turns it around.
Dominating shoulder.
This is not going to be pretty.
I don't want to see this happen.
And he's able to...
Double underhook applied.
Butterfly suplex. Knee strike. Oh my gosh, with one hand.
Exchange, reversing the reversal.
And we just saw some serious offense.
And look at this now, yes, applying the submission hold.
Cobra clutch locked in.
Will this match end on a submission? His partner's got to be thankful for that.
Connects. Turned that one around. Showing some extra scouting, knowing how to answer a counter with a counter of your own.
He's able to fend off the attack.
Just a dominant display. Look at this power slam.
Bam! Shot right out the ring. Gets him with the counter. The champ's shoulders are down. The champ kicks out with authority.
Still end like this.
Oh, saw it coming.
Down opponent and a double axe handle smash. Oh, hold on. Is he thinking of a submission here? Cobra clutch locked in. Submission locked in tight. Nowhere to go. No escape. This could be the end.
There's no way he survives this. No way.
Made the $1 million dream look like...
Countered it just in time.
And there's the takedown. And more attacks to his core could hinder his offense. Tag is made, and here we go. Dropped it with a big shot.
Military press.
Champ looking to end this.
Almost ended it there.
Good.
Nice takedown. Gonna spin them over, and
It is cinched in. And
that submission forces the tap out. Tag team chemistry in full effect with these two superstars.
the wrestling gods have truly blessed this union. I fully expect to see more showings like this going forward for this duo.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring, accompanied by Smith from Cobb County, Georgia, weighing in at 300
Cobb County, Georgia's finest, but it's still a law and order in WWE.
Yeah, Big Boss Man has been known to put some opponents actually in prison.
And his opponent from Tennessee, weighing in at 228 pounds, Loco B4.
Now this comes to one in a match, and it's still walk into the ring with a smile.
You know what? I'd still bet on them. They've got such incredible heart. They never give up on themselves.
Well, if you're going to be done, you got to be tough.
Coming into this one with a major chip on his shoulder, feels like he's not gotten the respect from the division that he's deserved lately.
Yeah, but respect has to be earned in matches like this, not just handed out. If he can prove himself here,
Gonna have to dig down deep here tonight.
And if he isn't careful tonight, he might end up in the jailhouse of courtesy. mercy of the big boss man.
And Boss Man will have no problem taking him by force. We're talking about one of the most callous and barbaric superstars around.
Just look at Boss Man go.
Boss Man serving up his form of justice.
Oh, kick right to the back. Able to counter.
Maybe he's found a new source of aggression to battle back with.
Oh, strong impact. Boss Man is known to have a short temper. Corey, how does someone like Big Boss Man with such lack of restraint come out the victor here?
Well, for someone who's charged with enforcing the rules, Boss Man doesn't mind bending them. If Big Boss Man can keep his focus and bend the rules without breaking them, his opponent will be serving hard time.
Point of the elbow finds the mark.
Nothing fancy here. Backbreaker and backbreaker. The end is looming now.
Holding on by a thread, maybe even less at this point. Boss Man has him up.
Buster.
That's the assault we expect from the Big Boss Man. Get that paddy wagon ready.
What's Boss Man going for here?
Side slam. Caught him with a big boot. On the mark. And Boss Man is taking control.
Big Boss Man keeping his focus, looking to make his opponent serve hard time.
And the hits to the core. Boss Man throwing caution to the wind.
Incoming!
Splash!
Back elbow smash, nothing fair.
He eludes the contact.
Gets him with the counter. And just a high proficiency of attacks from him now.
Boss Man serving up his form of justice.
And more hits up there can leave you dazed. Oh, nice pull.
Boss Man, insane power by the Boss Man. He wants it one more time.
Spinning side slam.
Boss Man can taste a win now.